Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix screen mirroring not working on your iPhone. Let's get started. Step 1. Check Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your iPhone and the device you're mirroring to, like a TV or Apple TV, are on the same Wi-Fi network. Screen mirroring won't work if they're on different networks. Step 2. Restart devices. Restart both your iPhone and your TV or streaming device. A quick reboot often fixes connection issues. Step 3. Turn off Bluetooth on your iPhone. Swipe down to open Control Center and turn off Bluetooth. Sometimes Bluetooth can interfere with AirPlay. Step 4. Enable AirPlay. Go to your iPhone settings, General, AirPlay, and Continuity, and make sure AirPlay is turned on. Also, check your TV's settings to confirm AirPlay is enabled. Step 5. Update software. Check for updates on both your iPhone and your TV/Apple TV. Running the latest software helps fix bugs and improves compatibility. Step 6. Reset network settings. If it's still not working, go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset network settings. This will refresh your Wi-Fi settings, but you'll need to reconnect to your networks afterward. And that's it. Try these steps, and your screen mirroring should start working again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.